Well, g'day and welcome back to Down the Shed with Byron and Robbie.
There you go.
Brought his boat around for a 5-minute job he started.
Oh, it's always just a 5-minute job, mate, but at least it's worth it for you. Yeah, there you go, brother.
He didn't bring beer, but he brought a cray.
That's how we do it in WA.
Robbie's got a broken bolt that we need to remove, and I said I'll give him a hand. So why not
Thanks, mate.
show you the Byron version of how I get bolts out. So here we have the broken bolt just in top of the cylinder head. Yeah, it's like a cooling passage for the boat motor. And what I'll start off by doing is putting a washer on there, and we'll weld that because we've got enough stud just protruding to get a bit of a weld onto that. So I'll weld a washer, and then I'll weld a nut, and then I'll quench it with WD-40 or some CRC. Do you remember how we did it on the debuild rebuild engine?
No.
You can't remember? Can you remember?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. I should get the big fella to do it then, eh? Yep, so I'll just put a washer, small washer that fits just around that bolt, which is roughly 6 mil. Hold up, mate, let me just, that sort of held it there. We'll put a weld onto that, and we'll put some protective stuff over the engine. I'll do that now. So we've got the engine kind of protected with a bit of a fireproof blanket. I've got the earth on to the cylinder head there. Battery's disconnected, and hopefully we can weld this little washer. All right, got the little washer on. What I'm going to do now is just put another washer on top of that, and then we'll put the big nut on. So yeah, slightly bigger washer. We'll put that on top. I'll try and clamp it there somehow. I've got an idea. Go. Are you ready? All right. You can see I used the galvanised washer because it made that funny look. Yep, now what we'll do, we'll put the nut onto it. I'll try and find another nut. Come back. Righto, take two. We'll put this old castle nut I've got here. Hopefully this one works. Right, now we can... I'll finish off by putting a heap of weld on the inside there, then we'll quench it with a heap of WD-40 or CRC. Okay, now we just got to be careful when we do this because it's flammable.
Shift bastard.
Oh yeah, let's try that one.
Yeah. Get that video on.
Yeah.
What's the can called?
Bit of the shift, shift you bastard. Let's try something new, eh? So what I do, I just spray that inside there. And another little tip we can do is give it a hit with the hammer, and that sometimes will crack the threads, or crack the threads by as in give it a bit of a shock, and then we can hopefully undo it. So what quenching does is, because all that steel is nice and hot, and you can do it with water on bigger bolts, and what it does is it makes it contract, so that it's another way of shocking that thread to help it undo. We'll spray it again. I'll get some, what do you call it? Get a shifter and hope for the best, eh? Righto. Let's see how we go, eh? Will it come out? First shot for Byzer. But bugger.
Uh-oh. I know what that sound was.
Yep, that snapped off. All right, we'll try again. See if it comes out this time. It's not feeling good. Or is it feeling good? That didn't sound good. Oh, bugger. Well, we got Robbie, he's on the tools, he's on the tools. Not that he knows how to use it, except for...
Lucy righty-tighty.
We finally got it on the third shot, hopefully. Let's have a look, mate, let's have a look.
Got my fingers crossed. Fingers, toes and knees.
It's our third attempt.
Would you believe that?
Let's have a look.
It's caused that much grief.
Is that worth more than a cray, or is that just mates?
I think you need a couple of more crays.
Well, dirty thumbs up. That job, it took us 3 shots with the same theory of quenching it with the CRC and a bit of cold water, weld the washer to it, weld the nut to it, and then undo it. And I gave Robbie the chance to take the one-hit wonder like a blister should. So hopefully those little tips might help you out one day. Anyway, take it easy. See you when we're looking at you. Cheers,
Thanks, mate. Cheers.